Hugo Bruce is a very, very, very lucky man. Yabona nabathi umuntu unenhlanhla emhlabeni bafethu bakhuluma ngoHugo Bruce. He reminds me a bit of coach Orlando Pirates, coach Abdeslam Mawari. Yabona, it's true when they say in life, kwezinye izinto ozenzayo, you need a lot of luck because he's made it this far. Hugo Bruce, never Bafana Bafana, simply because of luck. Now, this is not to discredit anything that the players have done. They played their hearts out, they dominated the game, they did everything right. But the reason in Kalango Hugo Bruce is simply because this guy came to South Africa, went to the AFCON 2024. Number one, he didn't believe in Mamelodi Sundowns players. It was us, the fans. Sakwala kuma social media samemeza complainer walalela, and then he took most Mamelodi Sundowns players were Nabu AFCON, and then he got a bronze medal. Now, Sislago World Cup Konamanja, first game Hugo Bruce, what defender against the Mexico? He had no intentions of winning in that game. He had no intention of scoring in that game. In Tobega Yele Hugo Bruce, he was hoping for a draw. Unfortunately, Mexico am dominator am shy 2-0. Straight after that game, Tina, the very same fans, complain as to coach ubasabani labantu laba. There's nothing special about European football, South American football. Laba bantu laba asbasabi, they're not better than us. Play certain players and these players are gonna deliver for you. Second game, he listened. As much as he didn't want to admit to know bafethu ngizwili ikhalo zenu, let me try and see ukuthi lento le ingasebenza. Us complaining, we cried sathi coach, please play Thapelo Masego, play Ozuna Police, play Urilebuhile Mfukeng, play Abo Evidence Makhoba, allow us to play the football that we are used to and the football that we know. And then Wabapi Freedom against the Checha, Bafana came back with the draw. Yesterday, he attacked throughout from the first whistle. Bega attacker Hugo Bruce. As much as the South Korea were not an easy opposition, Bazile, Baslanda, Pati Bafana dominated them. So I'd like to say to every South African, Onga Tulanga, Magabona Utu Hugo Bruce Yamosha, well done. We voiced up, we stood our ground and said, we know the football that Bafana is supposed to be playing. We are not saying that we have 40 years experience of coaching Jengawe, but what we are saying is that coach, try ukubatetela labafana badlale the way abajwayele ukudlala ngakhona, and then uThemba Kasimamela wabatetela badlala the way badlala ngakhona. Here we are, Bafana is advancing to the last 32 FIFA World Cup. Well done to Bafana. A beautiful performance izolo. Badlalila match actually this morning. Yabuza nama voice with Sashile Sisakatele. Badlalila machida. They did everything right. It was just somehow la pogo final third bebahlulega converter bebahlulega uqeda. Before I move on to the full game, ngicela nje ukuthi ngingene kancane yena uHugo Bruce. I am one of the biggest critics of Hugo Bruce. Yabona one thing mina ngithuli. When Hugo Bruce messes up, coach, you messed up. Umoshile lana wenza so. But I would like to say to him, thank you for listening. Siyabonga ukuthi umamele. As much as you've been a coach for 40 years, you are not from South Africa, which then means that you don't understand South African football better than us. Yithi labantu laba sibabheka more than you. Yithi labantu laba esibazi more than you. We've watched South African football longer than you. I'm sure when in South African football, uqale ukuyibheka the time you submitted a CV to come coach Bafana Bafana, or if Bafana Bafana approached you, only then you started watching South African football. But Hugo Bruce is one confused coach, Bafethu. I'm sorry, I have to say this. The reason I'm saying that he's one confused coach, Hugo Bruce doesn't know when to attack. Hugo Bruce doesn't know when to defend. Yabona match reading. He struggles a lot in match reading because you look at your game as well. I'll use it this morning. I'll use it as an example. Hugo Bruce, there were moments that Besekmele Uguti a substitute, but he kept the players on. There were moments that Bekmele Uguti advanced certain players, but he kept those players on. I don't understand how Evidence Makhupa finished yesterday's game. I understand which Evidence Makhupa came in Zolo. I don't understand the substitution. He was the most effective player going forward. Uye Begabatola Bomasego, Uye Begabatola Bomahupa, Bo Ozuna Police, Rilebuhilem Fukeng had a brilliant game, Izolo. Let the boy finish the game. Mtetele the game because he's so effective and he wasn't afraid of Batata Labantlaba. He wasn't afraid of looking for Ipolo. Let him finish the game le Izolo. So the reason I'm saying that Hugo Bruce doesn't know when to defend and he doesn't know when to attack, it's because when we are supposed to attack, ufunu defend. When we are supposed to defend, ufunu attack. There was a time Lapena Peli South Korea towards the end of the game, Besebeza all out. I don't understand where was Ikram Renas going. If we are one good, okay, cool, it's almost the end of the game. scoreline favors me as a coach. What do you do when you are smart? You want to Buffett angina chance la. I need more aggressive players. Abantu abazopressa swini polo, which then means ukuthi add numbers to your defense. Yabona izolo towards the end of the game, Hugo Broos was supposed to defend, but he didn't defend. Instead, he expected Ureinas, who is an attacker. I've never seen Ikram Reyners defend. I've never seen Ikram Reyners drop back to add numbers a mover unless he has to. We understand. Izolo Ikram Reyners ngimbone sekadlala right back uKhuliso Mudau pushed into add numbers kuma center back. Kunala Ikram Reyners sekuhuyo makayo laphana kwa right. Now the question is Ikram Reyners is the one oyenza i-dirty work lapha emuva uyamaka, we win the ball, must counter ngobani, which is why mase win iball bese shy tum. And there were moments where Bafana all they had to do was control the tempo of the game. The best way to control the tempo of the game, sharp, good substitution, Eda Jaden Adams as many. Add one of your defenders, sacrifice one of your attackers, add a defender, and then let Umfukeng, because he didn't substitute to Masego, let Umfukeng, let Umfukeng with Sapang Muremi, Nalumfana Lo Tapelo Masego, and that one striker, either Ikram Reyners or Evidence Mahupa Labo Mabasale Pambil, but add a defender so that Sibe compact Lape move, because these guys ended attacking us and they came after us a lot. But nevertheless, those are some of the things that Mina I always criticize him for. When it's time to defend, he doesn't defend. He wants to attack with Hugo Broos. When it's time to attack, he doesn't attack. He wants to defend. The game against Mexico is another example. We had no reason to defend that game, Leana. We hadn't played Mexico in 11 years. We played Panama because we said we are building up to play against the Mexico. Played Nicaragua because we said we are building up to play against the Mexico. Played Jamaica because we said we are building up to play against the Mexico. Now that it was time to play against the Mexico, I must have defender. Why? All along during the qualifying campaign, you are attacking, none. But this is not the time you're going to focus on the negatives, because Bafana is advancing to the knockout stages of the World Cup for the first time since the history of Bafana. Ever since South Africa returned to international football. And it's a proud moment to be a South African. We celebrate but also Hugo Broos, because Siamans, Kwamela Buya, artist South Africans, thank you for caring about your national team. Nkuluma ngathi thina esimayo support Bafana when it's time to support the national team, akuna Chiefs, akuna Pirates, akuna Mamelodi Sundowns, we support the national team because we are all South Africans. He must thank us because it's us that told him, go to coach, no, why are you defending? Attack. It's us complaining. Look, social media started to play Mfukeng. Pega wenzeni izolo. I mean this morning. Pega wenzeni Mfukeng. Delivery Mfukeng. He played a beautiful game. Mfukeng was at the top of his game. Mfukeng played with so much class. He played with so much maturity. Bekasilo Mfukeng let's try lokumbona go to Premiership. Ama pass bega washaya. The way he was reading the game, the way begat nano matena bambi polo. Guys, even his movements, the way Mfukeng bega nyagaza ngakona, he was such a bliss to watch. Mfukeng was such a bliss to watch. That's why I'm saying, why take him out? Hugo Broos, trust this boy. Let him finish the game. And you think about the number of chances that he created for Tapelo Masego, Lomfana Lono, Evidence Mahupa. He created so many chances. Begabatola Abap and then Labagebona. They would just fail to convert. I'd like to offer Tapelo Masego some advice. He had a beautiful game against the Checha. Begabatata against the Checha, he would cut in, Ashute, Nanani, and he also was one of the reasons we ended up coming back in that game, because he shot Akele, Eshaye, he had Pole, defender the Checha, and then the Homkena Wakora, Lea penalty layer. However, Tapelo Masego needs to work on its decision making in the final third. Konamanje Saguma knockout stages, Bafut. Sadly was Pumil. Aksana Guta, no, next game we can still redeem ourselves. It's not a point system, I say manje. Well done to him for scoring a goal. A beautiful moment, beautiful game, but he needs to work on his decision making in the final third. Tapelo Masego must work on his decision making in the final third. There were moments la kate in the ball back. Mahupa was available, Fukeng was available, good bonabanga shy finish, and then he opted to go for Ipawa. I was even worried when Sepang Muremi came in and laid that ball to him. I'm like, Tapelo Masego because even in that moment he still had an option. Yogutini, Albegelo Munye, Omunya Figa Katelela finisher, but nevertheless Ukorili goal. And congratulations to him. Sambong and it was nice to see Bafana play for the first time. And Kumbulu, when was the last time Bafana had to play without Utebo Homkwena, unless it's a friendly game, unless it's Ilama game la international break, the games are not even important. But in important fixtures, For the first time, Bafana had to play without Tebogo Mokoena, and Yaya held it down. Yaya held it down. Yabona bafethu mangikhuluma ngithi as South Africans lento yethu yokukhala sikhuluma complain iyabasiza lama player lawa. Look at how Yaya performed yesterday. Yaya performed because Uyaya Izolo, he was winning the hearts of South Africans, not the coach. Because uyazi ukuthi back home abantu bayakhala ngaye, abantu bayacomplain ukuthi Yaya, you are costing us, uyaleka. But yesterday he was so aware. Ngibona nanoma bamba ibhola bekabheke emaceleni, making sure ukuthi he makes less mistakes. Beka Eddie number must defender, he was making the right tackles. He had more forward passes than back passes because he's one player under my back pass, but Izolo he had more forward passes than back passes. And as a player, that's what you do with criticism, where you take criticism and you make you turn into an even better player. Uyaya Izolo played with so much resilience, played with so much confidence, and he fought Izolo. He was a fighter. Beka Izolo Uyaya kunala beka limpa bafethu kunala Uyaya sinenini game imilo uyaphuma ngathi uyableeda. He fought, and that's how you play for your national team yakho as a central midfield. That's how you represent team yakho. That's how you fly the national flag high. Well done to Uyaya. I played very well. Yena no talent Mbatha Izolo in the maybe first 5 minutes on the game bengathi bayatatazela nyana because South Korea bengakaqala ukateka ngama flank bebas overload la in the middle and then bashala ama pass lawa ngathi ama through ball lapha. But they came back to the game. Uyaya no Talent Mbatha. This is the Talent Mbatha that we know. Talent Mbatha that's not afraid to go for the shots. He went for the shots. Unfortunately laleka beko mahupa bekumele qeda kaqedanga, you know. So it was a beautiful game to see, and I'd like to say well done to ama analysts with Mamelodi Sundowns, the coaching system yaku Mamelodi Sundowns, the analysts at Orlando Pirates, the coaching system yaku Orlando Pirates. I say this simply because you look at that game, it was dominated by Orlando Pirates, Mamelodi Sundowns. And I'm not trying to start something Ngabe Chiefs nan, so can we all please calm down? But you saw what those players did. Now it makes sense why these two teams fought until the last day of the season for a league. It makes sense why Mamelodi Sundowns went all the way and became African champions. Betway Premiership definitely has to be one of the best leagues in Africa, and we are slowly making a name for ourselves as one of the best leagues because local players played against South Korea by dominator by Idla. Local players played against Czechia by Bamba. That's why I said last time there's nothing special about European opposition. There's nothing special about European players. Why must babheka mele sibasabe? Why kwamele ukuthi thina sifisa ukudlala njengabo and desire to play igame yabo when we have our own game? Relebohile Mofokeng played the game ayaziyo. He played the game yala South Africa and he did well. Uthapelo Maseko lento yakhe ukuthatha abantu ukukhatha ibhola lethu zilala kanjalo, and it did well. And then I think the only thing bafethu beshota ngayo kuphela Izolo, it's just making use of ama chance wethu. We need to work on our finishing with final third. Evidence Mahupa must pull up his socks. Evidence Mahupa must pull up his socks. He was trusted in Mission Izolo to be the main striker for Bafana. And I understand why Hugo Broos started Evidence Mahupa. This time I have to agree now because he seems more confident than Ureinas, no Lyle Foster. Ureinas, I can understand why sometimes Guba ngatu yatatazela and the struggles ungene kemini. Lomchita lona bafethu kuna la bekumele ukuthi ayodlala bebangamdlalisi when he was at his peak akora magol. Lyle Foster is not confident. Too much criticism. He's not living up to the occasion. I'm even worried ukuthi because of he became a big disappointment for a national team and he's the one that's playing for the biggest, he's playing in the biggest league and he's playing for one of the biggest teams or one of the most recognized teams. But Evidence Mahupa, show up when it's time to show up, Mchita. Bonakalise uvele ukore wenza izinto eziright. So bafethu askis namhlanje ngikhona ukurecord studio la sihlala sirecorda khona ngisendleleni nyana. I had a bit of a trip in Katele, voice ishile straight after game I had to travel and khona manje game masibhekile lapha nasilalanga. It was something beautiful to see. Bafana taking on Canada next. All I can say is that I mean in Canada there's no reason for us to respect Canada. There's no reason for us to respect Canada. Angeke siyofika lapha nabafethu sizodliwa eCanada. Labantu baqale nini ukudlala ibhola bese ngazi nokuthi iCanada inebhola. Thina sibazi ngabo Drake, sibazi ngam basketball lana nama Toronto Raptors. Mina ngiyaqala nokuzwa ukuthi iCanada inebhola. All South Africa needs to do, continue to play the game that you know and play your way. Hugo Broos, continue to listen to us, coach. Yes, we are responsible for the final decision, but you are not always right. If 40 years ago almost went under the drain because we're ungafuni attacker. Now that you've seen what it's possible, so you're attacker. And also as a coach, read the game, understand, know when it's time to make a substitute, know when it's time to defend, know when it's time to attack. And also with your substitutions, know who are the impact players. Skalile, Sati played Sepang Muremi, Pega wenzeni izolo sishilo sathi kanti wa Hugo Bruce angadlalisa uTsepang Muremi ungenile ku AFCON as a substitute wakora bathi offside then he created a goal. So uTsepang Muremi always has an impact coming off the bench. That's why naku Pirates uyaqala sinini comes off the bench because we understand. And Tsepang Muremi, well done Mchita ngokuba direct. You have to be one of the most direct players we have. Kubafana bafana. If lela bolo lelo lele Bheki uThapelo Maseko was received by someone else because of ukuteka on umuntu ashine for no reason, no, you cut back waleya Thapelo Maseko waqeda wafinisha. That's all you need sometimes. Well done gents. Bafethu Khumbulani, thank you Cyril, breakfast it's ready for you to eat. Habasha bafana sanibongela bafethu.